to another video, and before we start this video, happy Memorial Day to all you fans out there. And today we are gonna have fun with our family. We're gonna barbecue, we're gonna get some good food, so stay tuned everybody.
Right now we are swimming.
Yeah, we're swimming.
You gotta give a shout out to all the new subscribers. We're just like, let's see what you got. How many subscribers you got?
987.
988. 988.
988.
So we need 11 more, guys. 11 more.
12.
Let's make it 1,000. 11 more, guys.
Dad, is it 12 or 11?
What? 11. Oh, 12. 98. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, you're good. You're smart. You're smarter than I am. Yeah, I need to learn my mathematics. Yes.
So we're just swimming. And yeah. Look, watch this. Okay.
We're gonna pour it on Russell. Stop! Look out, close, stop.
Be careful.
It's the devil. I hate karate. It's the devil to do that. She was just running down the Ew.
Right.
You gotta follow you. Rasen? Where's that? Papaya? And taro?
You want birthday cake?
Nathan, what's this? I never received papaya. Taro. Okay, you're not gonna go everybody to eat. Janice! You wanna eat ice cream?
Wow!
Food?
Dennis, look!
Food?
It's so big! Ice cream!
Nasa na tayo kulo? Nice?
Look!
Janice! What? What are you guys eating?
Can you guys see that?
Guys. Ice cream. Alright, tell them what you're doing.
I'm fixing ice cream.
Bro, tell them what to do, how to do it. Scoop. Okay, you scoop.
Yes.
So funny, bruh.
Okay, now we're gonna go outside.
And your jacket.
Oh, really?
It's not. Hold it. I'm gonna put this away and wash my hands. Man, whenever I yell,
Are you vlogging now?
yep.
Oh, I look bad. No,
Yep.
is he actually recording?
Yes. Look. It says record.
We really talked about it.
What do you have to say?
My name is Jeff.
My name Jeff.
What?
My name Jeff.
Be quiet.
Bruh. I was like, who's that? So I was like, oh, okay. Ow!
You're playing Dak?
Yo, we finished eating.
Why do you do that?
Because of my cough. I don't know why. So, guys, you got anything to say?
Huh?
So, all those people out there, you know, my fans.
On your face?
You got anything to say? You got anything? You got anything?
What's up, guys? I don't know.
You got anything?
Just stay on your hair and then it's
Just stand on your face. It's your face.
Wow, that's
amazing.
oh man, this is right.
Wow, it's amazing.
I didn't say it like that.
Wow, it's amazing.
Look at that.
One of Uncle Sin's favorite stories about me.
What?
Hey, you got anything to say? But I know what to say. Bitte kalan! Yeah.
Bye, kids.
That's Sissy?
Bye.
Bye. For you, Sissy.
I didn't say make a whole plate.
No? Next time you get your own stuff.
Yeah, what up, brother? Yeah. Hey, you guys down to play basketball?
Okay.
Get you guys socks. We're about to go play basketball. See you guys in a little bit.
Uh-oh. It's actually cold. You don't know how it felt.
Hey, you see that clip right there? You see it?
I don't care.
I got that.
Joke's on you.
Hey, this is a clown in the family. Right here.
Number one.
What? Okay. Rate Russians left 1 to 10. How funny is it?
It's not funny, it's cute.
10.
Okay, how
10.
cute is it?
It's 100.
10.
Okay, how about you?
I do not know.
How about you? This sister? Him.
I'm mad at you. She mad. It's funny.
She likes that ice cream.
They don't know because it's
Oh, look at I look like a vlogger, brother. Cause I am one.
What are we talking about?
school play basketball.
Yeah, that's what.
You
Hey,
understand?
wait. Alright, see you guys in a little bit. So we're gonna play basketball, guys. We're gonna play 2 on 2. 2 on 2. Let's go. 2 on 2. So, yeah, I'm trying to get an angle on this. Okay, let me get an angle on this thing. I missed my shot. Austin has an M3E. It will show up on the screen. I mean, I have an M. It will show up on the screen. Austin's turn right now. Let's go. Oh, he made that, brother. You got a M3M. I don't have a letter yet. No! I didn't read that. That's for the people that don't like me. Haters. Haters out there. I'm about to cross you one day. And all 988 people are gonna attack you. Okay? So this is for you. Watch this. Oh no. Oh.
Again for you, those hits.
Hey, be quiet. Shh. Wait, I'll make one.
Oh my gosh, it's Alex. Look, it's Alex. What? Is this my Prada?
Okay, let's go.
Hey, move.
Move, watch out.
I think I'm gonna wrap this video here, cause we're just gonna eat and It's about to be nighttime. So happy Memorial's Day to you guys, and thank you for all those 988 subscribers, and I hope that okay, I'm giving this a go, okay? Before Sunday, if we can get 1,000 subscribers, I would really appreciate it, and that's our goal. So if we pass it, we'll do something big, a big video. And so don't forget to like and subscribe. Tell all your friends to watch our videos and subscribe so we can reach that goal. And you got anything to say? Alright, so happy Memorial's Day, and see you guys later.
One, two, three. One, two, three, four. Shout out to Mr. Marlson. Marlson did pretty good on his trumpet instrument playing at his concert. And he said he was nervous. Why were you nervous?
Because I just had a feeling I was going to mess up.
Wait, who's the one that went?
That was Jim.
Alright, but yes, Mommy and Daddy, we enjoyed your concert. Elston was, he wanted to play too. Right, Elston? So, guys, thank you very much. We'll see you guys on the next vlog. Obviously, this is not the same day. It's the next day, but we wanted to go support Marlson. So, yeah, we're done. So we're just going back home, and we're gonna go. That's kapag nilagay Chop Chuk medicine. Chop video. Alright, we'll see you guys on the next vlog. Thanks. Peace.